Hello everybody and welcome to Bell CB. We have another tune-up report on the Connex CX-3300HP. This one's for David in Texas. Alright David, let's check it out. We got low power here. Let's check it out over here. 10 watts on the top, sir. Top scale. Coming in at 2 on low power, and when I put it on high, it comes in at 10. Okay. Now over here, the peak power meter got a 50 watt slug. I'm reading it in the middle here. Alright. Now I'm going to put it in low power. Audio, check. Audio. Kind of holds steady about 23, 24. And then on the high. Check. Almost at 50. Audio, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. You know what I do to all these Connexes before they go out? The Talkback circuit's kind of defective. Everyone always calls up and says it doesn't work. So we started modifying that to everyone before they go out. So now, audio, check. Now you can hear it just fine. Audio, 1, 2, 3, 4. No problem with that. Okay, let's put it on the ear real quick. Finish this up. How about a channel 34? How about a channel 34? Is anybody out here anymore? Ever?
Well, Cuban lady used to be out there. You got Raven. I think you might even have some sound bites of Raven out there.
Yeah, I heard that. Does this radio sound okay there, Raven?
Yeah, I'm about a mile out. I'm over here at the hardware store, and things sound at 5 and 9.
Tamworth, thanks for coming back to me. We'll talk to you when you get back.